Hello everybody. Rumors of my demise were greatly exaggerated. I've just been busy with the supply chain. Some of you know and some of you don't. I'm a significant part of the supply chain here in the country, and I've been extremely busy, so I apologize for not being around much. I'm going to come back with this little truck right here, 284 131. Cool little truck. I'm going to practice drifting with this thing, so I bought some drift tires. They're about a size too small, but they fit the axles. And we're going to go take this out in a minute and see what it does. But I'll show you, this thing is just got lights all over it, and they're going to blink until I get the controller turned on. Get that paired up. Okay. Got really cool, really bright lights across the top, the bumper, headlights, brake lights, and little lights in the back. So I think I'm really gonna like this. I want to learn to drift. Have no clue, never attempted it before, but it looks like it would be fun. I've got a couple of things coming up for you, in at least planned for right now. I've got a couple of drones I'm going to do a review on. I have got an airplane, and I don't know how to fly, so that'll be interesting. It is just a small foam airplane, and we'll see how that goes. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a quick look at this little car. I'm still kind of busy, but I'm going to try to fit you guys in when I can. I appreciate it. If anybody has any questions or comments, throw them down there. Let me know what's going on. Kind of help me get back up to speed. Appreciate it, and I'll see you outside. This thing is lit up really well. The tires I put on here are a little bit smaller, probably 1/10 of an inch or so smaller than the rubber tires that came on it, but they had the right they mounted the right way. So got lights in the back, lights in the front, very bright lights in the front, a little uncomfortable to look at almost. So I got this just to drift with. That's the reason I've got the drift tires on there. I'm not even going to run it with the rubber tires. Let's go see what it does. That is going to take a lot of getting used to. Throttle control, it appears, is going to be very important for drifting. And I've already lost the body pin. It came with extras. It came with another set of gears. You can see the body's a little crooked. But I didn't feel like going and finding the extra body clip. And it's not dark here yet. It's I don't know, almost dark 30. Well, as you can see, I have absolutely no control on this thing. That's something I'm going to have to work on. Man, I've seen some of those guys doing drifting, and they are really good at it. I am not. And this doesn't have a gyro in it. I might think about putting a gyro in it. I don't know. Something to ponder. Well, since I don't know what I'm doing and I don't have any control, I'm pretty sure this will get boring fast. Yeah, I'm going to definitely have to get some taller tires. The chassis just barely clears the ground with this. See, if I let up on the throttle a little bit, I start getting a little bit of speed out of it, but even just the coarseness of the pavement here is a little much for it. But this is going to be a fun little vehicle, and I'm going to attempt to learn to drift with this. Anyway, appreciate everybody watching, and I'll catch you down the road.